What's up, MG here. Video. So I'm going to show you some tips to prank. So I know that my friend DJ Candy has been telling you a lot of pranks, but I'm going to show you a prank. So this prank is farting. Okay? So nobody will telling that you farted or something that will happen, something bad going to happen to you. So yeah, let's get through it. First of all, farting at public. Wait a sec. Ew, what's that? See, that's the trick of farting in public. Now farting at home. That's better. So next prank, if you fart in public, make sure that you brought a perfume with you. Cause if they know that you fart, you have to... Just a sec. Just a sec. Okay. So, next is pooping. Pooping. If you already pooped in your pants or thingy, you have to bring a soap, your underwear, pants, and some fresh lotion. Because if you bought those all, you have to change in the bathroom or some sort of stuff. And then if you're done fixing, you have to put your lotion. Oh my gosh, no. No, 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 no. No, not my phone. Okay, not my phone. It was just an accident, guys. You know that it was just an accident. Okay. Shh. Okay, sorry about that. It was just an absolute mess. So next is pooping also. So if you really want to poop, and then if you did inside bathroom and you poop at your pants, you have to go in a car and wear some of your pants and underwear. And remember, you have to bring tissue. Oops. So yeah, that's all for today, and maybe subscribe. Thank you guys. So goodbye, loves.